Hi everyone, it's Alicia. Welcome back to my channel. I've been buying so many clothes lately since the weather's getting warmer and since it's getting hotter, so I was like, oh my god, I should definitely film a video for this because there's a few things in here that I think not only I love, that you would love too. So let's get into it. So first, I want to start off with shoes. I have bought so many shoes. I've kind of changed my wardrobe to have bits that you can kind of rewear, like, you know, kind of like a staple closet, like summer version. I've bought loads of kind of things that like I know I can wear in like different styles and like I can wear again and stuff. The first thing I bought were these pair of shoes. Now, I never usually buy shoes that are like from like, let's say like Bershka or like Zara and stuff. I'd never buy them type of shoes. I don't know, it's just not me. I got these in Pull & Bear. And like I really like them because like I like these kind of brown colors and stuff, and like I kind of like the sole. I thought these would be really nice with like a pair of shorts or something. Next up, these sandal things. So these are actually from Shein. Shein. How do we say it? I don't know. These are like a dupe of the Zara one. I love these. I literally got them for half the price as well, and they're so cute. Like I love stuff like this for the summer. Like it's just, you just need it. Sticking with Pull & Bear, I also found these. Look at these. Look at these. Just tell me these are not the cutest things you've ever seen in your life. It's like seashells. Crochet. I don't know how everyone says that as well. But look at them. Because I feel like this year, like this summer, it's all about the like knit, crochet, whatever sort of vibe. I feel like every store is doing it as well. Like you see it everywhere. Like it's literally, you can't miss it. So when I seen these, I was like, oh, MG, I need these. And what I did, I bought them. These are a must have for this summer. You need these. If you don't own them, if you don't own these, go and buy them. These, look at these. Oh my gosh, aren't they so nice? These are, what are they? They're sliders, but with a super like chunky sole. See? I got them not only in white, I got them in black too. This is actually ecru, it's not white, sorry. I got them in ecru and I got them in black. Last but not least of my shoe collection that I've bought so far for this summer, these are my absolute favorite summer heels ever. Like I literally like, oh my god, look at these. Oh my god. Tell me what you think about these. Tell me that these are not the most beautiful heels you've ever seen. Like I was saying about the kind of crochet, like rope knit kind of style. Totally, my bets are on it. It's in this summer, so get your hands on it before it sells out. These as well are so beautiful, and not only that they have them in like normal, like as in like a normal heel, you know. I have like a wide foot, I have like a flat foot. So they have them for flat feet. Yes, I love these. So I know I was saying you should buy this for all the other stuff, but you need to buy this. You need to make sure you have this in your closet. Look at this, babe. Don't tell me you don't want this in your closet for this summer. Come on, babe. Come on. I was gonna show things like feet, bottoms, top, but I have a few things that like make sense only if I show them to you in like outfits. So whatever I have in an outfit thing, I'll show you, and then I'll show you the other stuff separately. But before I show you that stuff, let me show you the bags. Next up, the bags. What bags have I bought so far for this summer? This is first up. I love this bag. This bag just screams summer. Does this not just scream summer vibes? Because it screams summer vibes to me, okay? I'm so full of energy, I know. It's just because these stuff just make me so happy and so excited. Isn't that just so beautiful? I love it. I have an even more beautiful one coming up now in 1 second. This beautiful beach bag thing. Talking about the ropes that I love and that ecru white beige tone. This screams me. I got this in, oh, for the other bag, I got that on Shein. I got this one in Pennies or Primark, whatever it is you have in your country. And I actually did get this in Primark. I got this in London. I was walking in a Primark and this just stood out to me. I literally ran, grabbed it, bought it, took it home with me. Love this. This is my probably favorite bag that I've bought so far for this summer. So beautiful. You can literally like imagine this in the beach, or like imagine this like you have like a rope kind of outfit, and like, yeah, I love this bag. Now, could you say it's summer without having this iconic summer bag? This just screams summer. I swear this is like a staple piece. You can never get sick and tired of this. This is just iconic. This will never not be it. This is always it. And it comes with a little strap. This is also from Shein. Comes with a little strap as well. I think I kind of prefer it like this, just holding it. Super cute. I love this bag as well. 10 out of 10. Finally, we're getting onto the clothes. Yeah, these little shirts from Shein. Super cute, blue denim. I love them. Then I got these. Now, in the photos they look a little nicer, but we're not going to be mean and we're not going to judge the shorts because they're trying. And I think we can work with this. I think we can do something cute with these. Super cute. I love these kind of colours anyways, so I'm not too sad about it not looking exactly what I expected it to look like, but it's super cute and we can make it work. I absolutely adore this crochet crop top from Zara. Look at it. It is so beautiful. I have a TikTok where you can actually see this on me, and it just fits so beautiful. And it is so nice, like you can just see it there, like it has the gorgeous detail and it is so beautiful. Get your hands, wallets and stuff. Next, I got this, also TikTok seen this. It is like a little white top from Zara, and I also got it in black. TikTok did not get to see this actually because I was super lazy and I didn't want to go digging for it, but I found it just for you guys. I got it in black as well. I'm so strange. I get things in black and white. Like when I love something, or like when I think something's like really nice, I'm like, oh my god, I really like that. I get it in black and white. So I have two versions and I can like mix it up and stuff. Is that strange? I don't know. Like I'm gonna show you a set. And I love this set. Why do I love this set? Because not only you can wear it in like, you know, like usually for a set, like you have a cord, like you wear it like a set, you can wear it like with different things. These beautiful shorts. Now, these are not on sale anymore. These were from the old season. Now they have new season ones. The Chenile shorts. Chenile. I'm so bad at these pronunciations. Like, I just don't know how everyone says it. Like, everyone says it differently. So you just don't know if you're saying it right or wrong. These are the old season ones. And the new season ones I've seen. The difference is basically thicker band. The whole things are like differently. Not too much of a difference anyways. But if you have these old season ones, I do too, you can still wear them and you can still rock them. And why I love them, like I was saying. Not only does it have a matching polo, this is the polo, so cute and sweet. Oh my god, like it's so warm, Alicia, I can't wear that. Oh, you're too hot. Don't worry, I'm here to your rescue. You got a matching kind of bralette thing that you can wear with it. Now it's too cold. Okay, hold on. You think I don't have a solution to that problem? It has a matching cardigan. You have this, and you have like the bralette, and you have the shorts. Isn't that so beautiful? And not only that, oh, Alicia, I'm too cold. Then you have the polo. Look at that. Like, you can wear that. It's like so many different things. It's so beautiful. So worth it as well. Like, it's just such a beautiful super piece. You don't like any of them Zara ones. I found this bad boy on Asos, and I think I only paid like €3 or €4 for it. It wasn't expensive at all. It's like a bikini style thing, but for like €3 or €4 you can't go wrong. Like if you are really, really hot and like none of them are cutting it for you, I got a backup for you. I got a babe, you know I'm not gonna leave you hanging like that. Boom. So it's like this. Okay, yeah, you are a bit like not as covered up as you are with other stuff. So this is like if you're really warm, okay? I gave you other options if you're not that warm and if you're not warm at all. So this is like, I'm gonna decide it is like 40 degrees outside. There you go. Boom. I got a solution to your problem. What I also love this is it also matches with another set that I bought. It was so hard to get my hands on this set. Like it is just so hard. It was so hard. It was always sold out. You know when ASOS sends you and it's like, oh my god, it's back in stock. I tap it and then I go on and I was like, oh my god, it's sold out again. And then I just click notify and then it do the thing for like, I was doing that for ages until finally I got them. I'm quite short and these are really long. Like here's my head and like these are like leaning down to the floor. I'm like 5'2", 5'3" maybe, and these are like these are like the size of me. Obviously crochet. This is the summer vibe this year. You know what I'm talking about. This year, this is what we're rocking with. Yes, you can wear with that little bikini thing I showed you, or you can style it with. This is like literally the same thing I showed you, except it's sewed on to This is actually really complicated to show when it's not on your body. But basically what it is the same thing I showed you. It's got this sewed onto it as well. So there we go. It's like an off the shoulder kind of twist crop top thing. So you have like the bralette sewed in with this off the shoulder thing that you can match with them bottoms. Or you could just wear like the bikini thing on its own with the bottom. Either or, it is so fabulous and beautiful for this summer. I then got this on Shein. Just a little basic white dress, really simple, staple, can't go wrong with it. Next up, I got this in Pull and Bear. This is like a little crop top, because it's not a crop top, but it's not top, so like it's in the middle, because it's not too short, but it's not too long either, if that makes sense. You can either wear it like crisscross, or you can just put it around your neck like a halter neck. It's like a wafer sort of material. Really nice texture, really nice material. So I really like that with, if you remember the Shein shorts that I was showing you guys earlier. We got a top for them shorts, and this is the top. Of course I had to find the most beautiful outfit for the most beautiful pair of heels in the whole world, and that is exactly what I went on a hunt for. I found this beautiful set. So this is from Missguided now, okay? So it goes like that, and like it's like, you know them ones, and it's like you tie it in the back with the strings, you know, like this. So keep this in your head. Obviously I know it's gonna look better than this actually on. And then you have this beautiful, look at this, crochet skirt to go with it. It's long, so it's like really like, you know, you have to wear it with the heels, and like you have to pair it with seashell necklaces. You have to pair this outfit and like literally all these outfits with the seashell type of vibe. I was gonna show you guys at the end, but I just couldn't wait. So I got a necklace with seashells, and I got a bracelet. Got a bracelet with seashells as well there. Yeah. So imagine this set with the beautiful skirt, the beautiful top, the beautiful rope heels, paired off with the seashells and stuff. Oh my god, so dreamy. That is the majority of what I have. I have more, but I feel like I fed you guys so much things today. You're probably not going to be able to absorb if I showed you all the other stuff. So the bikinis and stuff can hold off till the next video, because oh my god, I have showed you guys so many things. I don't even know if you're going to remember half of the things that I showed you. So I want you guys to remember, so I won't feed you too many things. So that is kind of what is in my closet so far for summer and for the hot weather. I hope you love what I bought as much as I love them, and I was so excited to share them with you, and I'm so excited for you guys, if you like something, to have discovered these beautiful outfits and buy them and wear them and love them and look beautiful in these outfits. I can't wait to see you guys looking beautiful in these outfits. I hope you enjoyed this video. I just want to say a quick thank you for all my subscribers, all the people that comment on my video, and all the people that like my video and watch it. I love you guys, and it does not go unnoticed. You guys make me smile, and you guys make me so happy. So I'm so happy you enjoy my videos, and I am so happy to be making videos for you. So till next time, don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell button so you get reminded when I post a video and you get notifications, and see you next time. Bye.